Hey, this is Mike with Family Handyman, here with a special edition we're calling Stuff We Still Love. Now, if you've been doing tools and gear for 70 years like Family Handyman has, you've come across some pretty cool things. I've dug through the archives and brought back 3 cool tools that you should still be using today. Let's check them out. So here we have the Woolcraft Multi-Angle Drill Guide. Now, we've been featuring drill guides as far back as the 1960s. They're a really great option if you don't have a drill press or if you want to make repeated holes nice and straight where it's really hard to get a drill press. And it's really great to use cordless drills. Chuck it up into the bit here and then put it over your mark and you can make holes over and over and they're really straight. A few other things I like about this is that it's got this nice depth stop here so you can control how deep your hole is. And the Woolcraft also allows you to adjust the angle at which you are drilling. It's also got a V-groove on the top here and you can mount the base to keep it more secure. You can find the Woolcraft Multi-Angle Drill Guide for $30 online. Check it out. Here we have another tool that we told you about back in the 1960s, the handle forward stapler. Just like this Power Shot by Arrow. Traditionally, a stapler, you would have to squeeze the handle to eject the staple, but with the Power Shot and the handle forward staplers, you use your leverage and you push down on the tool into what you're stapling, and it makes it a whole lot easier to drive that staple. So today's forward handle stapler, this Power Shot by Arrow, is really cool because it shoots 6 different types of staples, and it even shoots smaller brad nails that Arrow makes. It also has this really cool viewfinder, so it tells you when you're running short on staples, and it's just really easy to load and unload the staples as well. You can find these for $20 at the home center. Remember, that is the Power Shot by Arrow. Here we have Klein Tools 11-in-1 screwdriver. Now, 4-in-1, 6-in-1, and other multi-use screwdrivers have been some of Family Handyman's favorite tools for years. We love them because you can fit a whole set of screwdrivers into one tool. It saves you time from having to run around to find the right screwdriver, and it saves you space in your toolbox. Now, this Klein Tools 11-in-1 driver is a step up from what we've covered in the past. It's got 8 of the most common bits you'll run into in your home, and it's got 3 different size of nut drivers all built into one tool. Now, you can find this online for $15. Remember, that is the Klein 11-in-1 screwdriver. So there you have it, 3 tools from our 70-year archives that you should still be using today. We at Family Handyman love them, and we know that you will too. We'll check you out next time on Stuff We Love.